yourself visible in traffic. Anyone needs to see you. That's for your own safety. Vámonos, let's go home. Hello everyone, hello. How is your fitness journey going, guys? How is your fitness going? Are you still kept up with your program that you put it into plan? I'm on my way to work on the bike, and I'm sticking with the plan, going 3 times per week to work with my bike. Yee! Today is such a lovely day. It is sunny. Thank you, sun. The work is finished for me, the work day is done. It's 6 o'clock and now I'm taking my bike and I need to go home. There'll be a lot of traffic, but I'm avoiding heavy traffic roads. But still, the first tip is to make yourself visible when it's dark outside. So my helmet has already a light on the back. I'll switch it on now. Clear sunglasses for dust, dry leaves as well, and any particular that might damage your eyes. Plenty of lights and visible straps. Cover for my backpack, which is again very visible when the lights are hitting the fabric. I have a pair of new gloves and I like them. There are reflex stories on fabric here, which they are very handy when you want to signal left or right. And now let's go. It's time to go home. Long day, long day. It's dark outside, it's very, very dark. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go home. I have everything, put it on the bike, and I'm very, very visible now. It's all about being visible. It's for my own health. Because now, at the end of the day, people are tired, they lose their patience, they do silly moves. Foxy! Just a fox in front of me. He just went in the bushes. I'm on the hill, not able to push too much. My legs are tired. You have to make yourself visible during the night or dark as a biker, push biker. Keep that in mind. Vámonos, let's go home. I made it home safe and healthy. Woohoo! And the goal on this week is been achieved 3 times. Going to work with my bike, push bike. Yes, bravo Yuli. And now I'm happy because I have my perfect dinner. And you should try it. Have you checked my last video? Baked sweet macaroni and cheese, the vegan options, the plant-based options. That's my favorite dish to have for dinner now. Try it and let me know. Go back to the comment section under that video and let me know how do you find it. And now it's the time to get all this off, shower, and enjoy my lovely dinner. Bye everyone. Bye. Have a lovely weekend ahead. Bye.